After the break, a shocking case of a 13-year-old class 8 student married off to a 40-year-old in Telangana's Nandigama has come to light. Well, this place is just 1 hour from Hyderabad, and we are given to understand now the teacher had reported to the police, after which the mother, the groom and the priest who had also performed the wedding have been booked under the law to prevent child marriage.
Shocking case of a real-life Balika Vadu. This is in Rangareddy district of Telangana, just about an hour's drive from Hyderabad. And this 13-year-old girl who was studying in 8th class was married off to a man identified as Srinivas Gaud, who is more than 40 years old. And this marriage happened in the month of May, 23rd of May. And the presence of the priest, the other people at the wedding, all of that has come to light. Though it happened about 2 months ago, the girl had reported it to her teacher, Sunita, who then alerted the Child Protection Services as well as the police, who then took action and booked cases under the Prevention of Child Marriage Act against not just the so-called groom and also the mediator, who was the house owner of the house in which the girl was living, his wife and also the mother of the minor girl. Three things here. While child marriages may seem to have come down, what we do understand is that just in the last year, about 60 such child marriages were prevented. This year, about 37 already were stopped by the Child Protection Services authorities. And what the Protection Services people are telling me is that many of these cases are not just driven by poverty, but also because the parents seem to fear some kind of an elopement and therefore want to marry off their daughters young. In this case, whether there was sexual relations or not may change the nature of the case, because then a case under POCSO would be booked against the husband as well. But we do understand that she had cohabitated with the husband for about 2 months before she returned home.